So we're here with the Honda Trail 125, CT125 for our friends overseas in Asia, Hunter Cub for all of us, cool bike for everybody. So one of the unique features on this bike is that it has a heel shifter. Basically it's it's traditional toe shifter that's really long, and it has a little shifter for a heel. So you can push it down with your heel or you can pull it up with your toe. These bikes can be used as daily drivers, daily riders. These are sole means of transportation for a lot of people. And with being sole transportation, it means you might have to take these to work, right? Sometimes people wear suits and stuff and nice clothes and nice shoes to work. So the point of the heel shifter is that if you're wearing your nice business attire, especially your shoes, that you don't have to scuff them up or get them dirty by using your toe to lift up on that shifter. You can use your heel to push down, and the shifter never has to touch the top of your nice shoes. So with the history of the heel shifter, from what I know in the comments, what we're going to do is we're going to alter how that heel shifter is located. We're not going to cut, but we're going to take it off. We're going to take it over to the vise, and we're going to bang it into a little bit of different shape. We're going to bend it, and the purpose is to get it closer to the body and frame of the motorcycle. So it had a pretty big gap to where it stuck out quite a bit, and my boot was catching on it, especially when I tried to stand up and ride. So what I wanted to do is just kind of get it out of the way a little bit. There's some people out there that even cut that heel shifter off because they just don't want it on there. I liked it. I think it's really cool, and I use it a lot too, even though I'm not wearing business shoes. But I wanted to keep it, but I just didn't want it to be in my way when I took the bike up to the New York trails and mountains that you'll see in my previous videos of riding. So my fix was to take the heel shifter off and just bend it out of the way enough and close enough to the bike to where my foot and my heel could live a little bit more comfortably in that area. So super simple job. Just take the heel shifter off, get your hammer and your pliers or whatever you have to do, just kind of bend it into the shape that you want. So here's how I did that. Hope you guys enjoy this, and let me know what you think. And if you do this on your own, let me know if it helped you out too. Thanks for stopping by and checking out my content. I appreciate that. If you enjoy it, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, let me know what you thought.